Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We divide both sides by y squared in here. So we have 1 over y and dy over y squared dx. This is about Bernoulli's equation. So I will put about v equal to 1 over y. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have dv over dx equal to negative 1 over y squared dy over dx. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put the negative go to the left. So this one I will put in here. This one we change by v. Next, we divide both sides by negative number 2. Next, we have v and first derivative of v, so we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration of this one. So I will put negative number 2 go outside. And we know that tan s, that is about sin s over cosine s. The integration of sin s over cosine s, we have negative ln of cosine s. So negative negative we cancel. And now I will put 1 over 2 go inside about natural log in here. And we have cosine s to the power of 1 over 2. And we have cosine s to the power of 1 over 2. That means we multiply both sides by this one. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, we applied about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So if we look carefully about this one, this is about first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one in here, that's about first derivative of cosine s to the power of 1 over 2. Multiplied by a. So if we do this integration, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of this one, we have v cosine x to the power of 1/2. So about this integration, that is similar for the picture in here, because this is so complex. They are just like this. Now that's why I will keep about this integration. Next, about v, that is about this one. And here is the final answer in here.